Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. An email hit my inbox today from Hart Tools promoting their 40-watt cordless soldering iron. It uses their Hart 20-volt cordless batteries, and it's $39.88. I thought it was a pretty interesting item. There's a couple other cordless soldering irons that are out there, but much higher price, basically double the price. If we look at over at Home Depot, Milwaukee has theirs as a tool only for the M12 lineup is $89. Ryobi is $74.97. Theirs is a hybrid, so it's kind of cool. You can use a battery or you can plug it in to a wall outlet via an extension cord. But at $39.88, I thought this was pretty cool. It's the most basic of the bunch here. We have the soldering iron. It says it's a tool-free tip change. The cord's 3 feet long. It has LED indicators to let you know when it is heating up and when it's ready to go. And it looks like it just sits on top of the battery, and that is what stands it up, holds it upright. But if you've been paying attention to the Hart Tools stuff, they've been releasing a lot of new tools. I'm kind of confused on how new this one specifically is because there's a bunch of reviews back from March, and then there is nothing until more recently, like in July, and then every one of those reviews say this review is in part of a promotion. So I don't know, did they release it then pull it back, or what are those original reviews? I have no idea. But this is the first time I have seen this Hart soldering iron. But I really like the Hart stuff because they've released so many new tools. Like, look, the cordless stick vacuum, and then you got a nail gun and the impact wrench, and it's becoming a vast platform for DIY stuff. If you are or have been in the past interested in Harbor Freight tools, if you're interested in Ryobi tools or like the cordless Amazon tool brands, Hart falls right in there in a lot of the pricing and everything, but it's available at Walmart. It's going to be obviously a full platform of tools. You can see the combo kit here, all the individual tools. So it's not top tier quality wise, but certainly DIY quality. And the great thing about any Walmart product is the possibility for clearance pricing. I picked up, we did the haul video, oh man, it's been a long time ago, but it was a whole cart full of combo kits because they're all half off or more. I wouldn't be in the Hart lineup at all if it wasn't for that, but if you want to just give the tools away, I'll take them. So I love that. Walmarts are open. Well, it used to be open 24 hours. I don't know if we'll ever get back to those days. Hopefully. But anyways, they're open. They're everywhere. Easy to return if you had to. If you had to pick up something in off hours, I don't know about you guys, but I always end up working out in the garage at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'll need something, and I want it now because I want to finish my project, and I don't want to wait till the next day. Anyway, so Walmart's a beautiful thing. You'd always pick up your tools anytime. I just really like this lineup for the convenience and the pricing potential on several items. So anyway, Hart Tool has a soldering iron now to go with a couple of others that were already available. But it seems like a really good idea to me. I'd kind of like to know the runtime, and I guess since it says 40 watt, I could probably do the math and figure it out. But I'll let someone else do that. So anyway, guys, I'll put the links down below if you're interested to this one or the Milwaukee or Ryobi. But we're going to hope that it goes on sale. Probably not clearance, but it might come as a combo kit packaged with other tools, and then that combo kit could go on clearance because they've done that all the time. They're bundling things with this and that, and then I guess the bundle doesn't work out as well as they thought, or maybe it was seasonal for a specific reason, and then bam, it hits the clearance shelves, and we can get some really good deals. So anyway, guys, just giving you a heads up on that new tool out. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys next time.